I'm Diana. I will hopefully be seeing some of you, or have just seen you when you see this, at Coslin today for our one and only in-person fall program where we're going to eat pizza, stuff our faces with pizza, and talk about fall programs, which will be all virtual this fall. But I wanted to tell you I'm really excited about our October take and make kit. We will be having take and make kits each month this fall since we won't be able to meet in person, and you'll be able to come and get a goodie bag of things. But this month is really special because it's going to come with a haunted forest pass. The Parks Department is doing a haunted forest walk on October 30th, and it's $10, but the library is going to cover you if you come and participate and get one of these, and you'll get a ticket to go for free. So if you want to go on a haunted walk with your friends, this is how you can do it without paying for it. And then also, you get a beginner's magic kit in here, and it comes with a whole bunch of things that I wanted to show you real quick. And this is thanks to our Noon Kiwanis group that supported us and our friends at the library. So first of all, you're gonna be able to make potion bottles if you want. There's a whole bunch of fun spooky stickers if you want to decorate, or if you're an actual witch and you want to make potions, we're just providing you with some. I don't know, sometimes I think I'm a real one and sometimes not. So then you're gonna get, this is one of my favorite things, it's a misfortune cookie. It's gonna have a not so positive fortune, but very fun and tasty. They're from Germany. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, tiny cauldron full of goodies. There's some creepy ones, but they're all really tasty. And then, so that you can have a fun time, there's a little tea bag. So you can be warm and cozy while you do this. And then I'm also really excited about, you can learn how to do, you have a little tea light in here, and you can decorate this jar as a potion, or you can fill it with water, and you can set it out on the full moon, or whichever moon phase you like, and you can make moon water and do some fun things with that. So you can set intentions for what you want to do. And then lastly, if you just kind of want to have a creative time, there's a tiny pumpkin inside. It'll come undecorated, but there's a pen and you can decorate it. And one of our teen volunteers started this one to show you what that could be like. So I hope that I'll see you in Coslin today. If not, go to our website, sign up on the teen page to get one of these so you can reserve one and come and pick it up at the library. I hope to see you at Observe the Moon Night this month. That'll be outside, and hopefully at the Haunted Walk on October 30th. But other than that, we will be meeting virtually once a month. Once you get your kits, we can hang out over Zoom and put them together, decorate our pumpkins, talk about books we like. But until I'm able to do that again in person, I hope to see you over Zoom or in the library when you come to pick these up, and maybe ask for a spooky read as well, because we have some fun spooky books. I'm looking across over here. Maybe we'll put them in the video to show you what some of them are. Happy Halloween, and we miss you. Come visit us at the library and come eat pizza with me today.